Detangler Leave-In Conditioner for all types of hair. The growth oil for natural growth. Y'all, this stuff is amazing. Let me give y'all a little width of it. So this is the Leave-In Detangler Conditioner. Just spray it on there, and when you comb through, it instantly just detangles. Like, yeah, it's amazing, you guys. And then the oil, I mostly use it like during and after a hairdo. No, for real. It's amazing. It's for all types. And it also, it's not heavy. It's very light. It has a great smell to it and everything. So yeah, you guys should really, really, really try this. If you want to see the actual growth. Oh Lord, you could have helped me hate it. This is my baby's hair, real hair from the scalp. Oh yeah, it's real. So yeah, try it. If you need any information, I mean, hey, it's right here.
Why would you let out so much?
Y'all hear it. Y'all see it.
Orders? Yes. You saw him. He's drinking demon blood